Good morning, Miss Gemma.
Good morning, Miss Roxanne. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Yes.
What are some of the biggest challenges you face when starting your business, and how did you overcome them?
As a sari-sari store business owner, one of the biggest challenges I faced when starting my business was having limited capital. I didn't have enough money to buy a wide variety of products, so I started small by focusing on basic needs like canned goods, stamp noodles, and sachet products. To overcome this, I carefully managed my budget and reinvested my earnings to slowly expand my inventory. That's it.
Okay. Okay, how do you handle the financial risks and uncertainties that come with running a business? And what strategies do you use to mitigate them?
Handling financial risk and uncertainties is a business big part of running business. One of the main strategies I use is careful budgeting. I make sure to separate my personal money from my business capital so I can clearly track my profits and expenses.
Okay, as a business owner, how do you balance the demands of entrepreneurship with your personal life? And what advice would you give to others struggling with this balance?
Um, Balancing the demands of entrepreneurship with my personal life can be challenging, especially since the store is often part of my home. To manage this, I set clear boundaries between my business time and personal time. For example, establish specific opening and closing hours so I can still rest and spend time with my family.
Oh, thank you, Miss Gemma, for your time.
You're welcome. My pleasure, Ms. Roxanne.